Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check your sleep duration by the help of a chart that shows you the total time slept each night on the Google Fit application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the third icon down below, which is the browse icon. Then click on the sleep section. Now tap on sleep duration, thereby seeing a chart in the middle of the screen indicating your total time slept each night. If you scroll down, you are going to see the hours of sleep each day. If you tap on a relevant one, you are going to see an image of your sleep, and you will also see the duration of sleep and the efficiency of your sleep, also the time when you got in bed and when you woke up. You can also add new entries into this section by going back 2 pages to this one, and then you can add a new entry by clicking on the plus icon at the top of the screen, indicating the time when you got in bed and when you woke up by selecting the exact date and time. Then press the button save in order to save these details, thereby adding a new sleep to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.